A high-quality wok is an essential kitchen tool, enabling you to master diverse cooking techniques, from sizzling stir-fries to perfect pan-searing. Invest in the best woks for your kitchen to elevate your culinary experience and explore a world of versatile and flavorful cooking. In our upcoming video, we're excited to introduce you to the top 5 woks that will revolutionize your kitchen and bring out the chef in you. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. HexClad Hybrid Nonstick Wok. With its tri-ply construction of high-quality aluminum, sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel, featuring a patented hexagonal nonstick surface, this 12 wok ensures optimal cooking performance and even heat distribution. Versatility is key, and the HexClad wok doesn't disappoint. Compatible with induction, gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, it's also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, opening up a world of culinary possibilities. The unique laser-etched hexagonal surface is metal utensil resistant, making it durable and easy to clean. While hand washing is recommended, it's also dishwasher friendly for your convenience. Invest in the HexClad 12 wok for a kitchen companion that effortlessly combines style and functionality. Your purchase is backed by a lifetime warranty from manufacturer's defects, excluding commercial and restaurant use. Don't miss out on the revolutionary cooking experience. Click the link in the description to bring the HexClad Hybrid Nonstick Wok into your kitchen today. Number 2. Cook's Standard Wok. Crafted from premium grade 18/10 stainless steel with a multi-element aluminum core inside and out, this wok boasts corrosion resistance, high temperature resilience, and a long service life. Featuring a stainless steel dome lid with a superior seal, moisture and heat are effectively retained, accelerating your cooking process. The riveted stainless steel handles stay cool, thanks to airflow technology, ensuring comfort and safety during use. Experience excellent heat distribution with the magnetic stainless steel and aluminum disc bottom, designed for compatibility with induction cookers, and offering even, fast temperature distribution without hot spots. This versatile wok is multi-stove compatible, working seamlessly on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen, and more. Oven safe up to 500 and dishwasher friendly for easy cleaning. It's the ideal addition to your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Cook's Standard 13-inch stainless steel wok is the perfect size for everyday use. Upgrade your kitchen game. Click the link in the description to make the Cook's Standard wok pan yours today. Number 3. Calphalon Wok with Cover. This wok is a culinary masterpiece built to redefine your kitchen experience. With a 1.5x more durable non-stick interior compared to the Calphalon Classic, this wok ensures lasting performance and precision cooking. Crafted from heavy-gauge, hard-anodized aluminum, it guarantees even heating for optimal cooking results. Seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven, as this wok is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The durable PFOA-free 3-layer non-stick interior is metal utensil safe, providing a reliable and long-lasting cooking surface. The stainless steel long handles remain cool on the stovetop, ensuring safe and comfortable handling. Recognized as the best overall non-stick cookware by Good Housekeeping, the Calphalon Wok with Cover is a testament to quality and innovation. Upgrade your kitchen with this exceptional wok. Click the link in the description to make the Calphalon Wok with Cover an integral part of your culinary journey today. Number 4. YOSUKATA Carbon Steel Wok. Unleash the genuine taste of Chinese and Asian cuisines right in your home. With this 13.5-inch wok featuring a flat bottom, designed to lock in the rich juices and flavors of your ingredients. Pre-seasoned at high temperatures over 600 degrees Fahrenheit using special techniques, our carbon steel wok is ready to elevate your cooking experience. Crafted from heavy-duty black carbon steel, this wok ensures durability and even heat distribution for exceptional results. The ergonomic design of the wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, making your cooking sessions a breeze. Whether you're stir-frying, pan-frying, braising, or deep-frying, the YOSUKATA Carbon Wok Pan is your versatile kitchen companion. Conveniently designed for use as a camping wok, BBQ wok, or grill wok, it brings the joy of cooking to any setting. Easy to handle and store, this wok is a must-have for every kitchen. Don't miss out on the culinary possibilities. Click the link in the description to bring the YOSUKATA Carbon Steel Wok into your kitchen and embark on a flavorful journey. Number 5. Souped Up Recipes Carbon Steel Wok. This carbon steel wok comes pre-seasoned, ready for immediate use, allowing you to create sizzling stir-fries, crispy deep fries, and pan-seared masterpieces with ease. Crafted to handle high heat and scratches, this wok boasts durability without a Teflon coating, ensuring it can sustain super high temperatures and withstand the use of metal utensils, promising a lifetime of exceptional cooking experiences. Worried about rusty woks? Fear not. Souped Up Recipes provides video and written instructions, guiding you through simple care routines to keep your wok in pristine condition and cooking like a pro. This wok's flat bottom design makes it versatile, compatible with electric stoves, induction stoves, gas ranges, and various heat sources. Join the ranks of over 1 million subscribers who trust Souped Up Recipes, a popular YouTube channel, bringing you the original flat-bottom wok designed for exceptional cooking. Elevate your kitchen experience. Click the link in the description to bring home the Souped Up Recipes carbon steel wok today. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.